Here we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial. We are seeing prices really run sideways a little bit, trying to absorb some of this initial nice move that happened off the range here. It's really had a very, very big move. I think people are trying to digest that kind of action a little bit, for, I guess, for lack of a better term, take in some of that order flow. We're really seeing prices start to show a little resistance at the 17,750. This was our target range. We were very, very close to that. I also stated that I was working out some potential projections for any change in trend. And I think if we're going to see anything, we could see something tomorrow. If not, this could extend until the first week of you know of uh, November, and I'm thinking around the November 7th or so. I would watch either tomorrow or the next day, but I'm thinking tomorrow very likely. In other words, you could watch for the target maybe being hit, maybe around in this range in 17,800, and then prices starting the weekend or just the turn right away. But over this next 2 days, but I would really be leaning tomorrow, watching for that hit resistance targets, and then start to make some kind of move. And it's more likely that you'd see a reversal, obviously, but watch for the potential for the continuation and for the next day to start to weaken. You see what I mean? Like this, if we're going to look at the reversal on the day, you see that high on the prior day before the weakness of the next day. Sometimes on that day, you just see the break. So you have to watch for the action early in the morning. You'll get a good feel anyway, regardless of that, as at least you're anticipating that. If not, we would see just some sideways action for a while, and then the last gasp, I think, toward the next week, first week of January, I'm sorry, in November, and then we start to see a move down. I do think we'll start to see a pretty good chance of a top around that time frame, or at least I would be watching for significant move around that date.